Big breaking news that's coming in. China is all set to build a major dam on the Brahmaputra river. The proposals for dams on the Brahmaputra have evoked concerns in India as well as in Bangladesh. China has downplayed anxieties, saying it will keep their interests in mind. But keeping in mind how China has provoked and gone back on the word time and again, can we really afford to trust them when it comes to building these dams in the Brahmaputra? Our Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, how has this news been received by India?
Bangladesh have always had concerns with China building dams on the Brahmaputra because they are not run-of-the-river projects. They're projects that will allow China to control water flow of the Brahmaputra, and that certainly becomes a scare for India as well as for Bangladesh, which is why India has time and again raised concerns with regards to the kind of projects that China has in mind for the Brahmaputra River on the Tibet side of the border. Having said that, the Chinese officials over here trying to allay concerns, saying that this will smoothen relationship in South Asia is certainly only an eyewash. We know the concerns India have are real, and that the Chinese side will have to pay heed to the bilateral arrangements. For now, the only arrangement that the two sides have is with regards to the data of water flow from the Brahmaputra into India that China shares on a regular basis with India. There was in between the Chinese have stopped sharing data, but that's the only data that the two countries really share. Having said that, we will have to wait and see what the Chinese side really do with regards to concerns being raised by India.
All right, Geeta, we'll be tracking the story very closely for the latest reactions. Thank you for joining us for the moment.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.